All right. Let's try that salt block out, see if you knock that over. Cash does not like being brushed at all. But even though he has hair, not wool, oh, he still knocked it over. He still gets itchy. We all know wool is itchy, right? Wool sweaters. So even though he does not have wool, he does have hair. He gets itchy, really itchy. So that's when he lets me brush him a little bit. But otherwise, he's a filthy mess. I just go crazy when he lets me. But when I have to start following him around, I know that's when he's getting really just aggravated. But June wants to come to the hair salon all the time, every day. Come on, June, look. She will even leave him behind to come to the hair salon. Come here, June. Right here. Look, I just show her the brush. Come on, you want to come? Yeah. She loves coming to the hair salon, I'm telling you. Who doesn't like going to the hair salon, right? And he likes it when she comes. But oh, June, she loves to feel beautiful, you know? Because when she feels beautiful, she leaps for joy. And when she feels beautiful, he feels beautiful. So yes, lambs have personalities. Sheep have personalities. Just like all creatures do, even insects. What happened to the music? June, what should we play? Alexa, play fancy hair salon music. Let's see which. 80s hair salon. Oh Lord, what is this? See, our Alexa's not working. What is going on with Alexa? Look, we like to make it like she's got a little sweater on, right? Listen to him. Okay, so now we got this brush done. And I still try to get him, look. Hey, if he's near. He's a hard one, all right, but I'll take it when I can. I don't even want to stop right now, but there we go. Okay, hold on. I'm going to get this other brush right here. This is a softer brush. Wait till you feel this one, huh? Look. Oh, yeah. That feels good on her face, huh? It's not hard like the other brush. It's soft. She likes this soft. Oh, she's such a sweet girl. I love you so much. Oh, you see Daddy, huh? Did Daddy just come out? I've never in my life thought I'd ever have a pet lamb, 2 pet lambs, 3. And that I'd be brushing my lambs every day like a horse. But I know June doesn't like to be away from Cash too long, and you want to go see Daddy, right? Look, go show Daddy your hair. Watch. Let's show him. Here. Let me give you a quick blowout, really quick. Let's go show Daddy, okay? Oh my gosh, he's gonna love it. Look, he's gonna love it. Ready? Let's go. Oh boy, look who just got out of the hair salon. Again.